Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5. So basically, first things first, we want to get the official application from the website right here, or if you're using your mobile devices, you can just search it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Once inside, just click on the download MetaTrader 5 for Windows, for Mac OS, and for Linux. From there, you then want to navigate through the application of MetaTrader 5, and once inside this window, you then want to click on the File button at the top left corner of your screen. This menu will show up on which you have to click on Open an Account. From here, we then want to search our company. It's going to be FTMO, and then you will be able to see FTMO on this list right here. Just click on Next. Choose the last option, which is going to be the connect with an existing trade account. Now, this is not going to be the credentials for your FTMO account. This is going to be the credentials for your trading account inside your FTMO account. So just enter it right here, login, password, and then the right server. Click on finish and you should be good to go. If you see an error message right here, this means that you have entered the incorrect credentials on MetaTrader 5. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.